Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am always happy to have you. And today's video is going to be from Facetory. And I didn't even open this, and I would assume this is the July bag. Just came the other day. Normally I pre-open these, just have not had time to do any of that. But real quickly, while I take this stuff out of the bag, Facetory is a monthly sheet mask subscription. And the one that I get is the Forever Fresh kit, and that is $8.90 a month. And then they have, what's the other one called? 7 Luxe, and you get 7 masks, and that's $19.90 a month. And they just recently, I believe, launched a skincare box, and I don't have all the information on that, but I will leave it in the description box down below. So when you open your bag, you get some cards, and this is Busy Being Free. And this is just a postcard that they send, and that they send it all the time. So now we get some other information. Let me see what this is. Oh, so this month we got some stickers. I think this is the first month we've gotten stickers. That's cute. And then you get a card that gives you all the information on your masks. So we will do the first one that I see on there just because it's easier. And that one, oh, they were in the order that they should have been. So this one here is from Facetory itself, and this is a restoring mask, and this is with royal jelly. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this has a value of $3.50, so that's really cute. The next mask is from the beautiful Factor, and this is a Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask. And this has a value of, of $3. And the next mask is from a company called Yada, and this is a brightening mask pack, and that's right here. And I don't know why they say it's a pack. Oh, it's just like packed with ingredients. This has a value of $3.50. And then the next one is from, the company is Moksha. And this is Dear Berry, and this is a rosehip, tomato, and chamomile. I don't think I've ever tried one like that. That one sounds very interesting. And that has a value of $3.50. So that is the, this is the June, not the July. Usually, the very first week of July, or the month, you get the previous month's bag. I'm sorry, it said June and I said July. I don't know what I'm thinking. So they are the 4 masks that I get in the Forever Fresh kit each month. One of these months I might try the skincare box, just because why not, and see what they offer. I love their masks. And then real fast before the video ends, I did get the other 2 items in from FabFitFun that I did not get in my summer box. These were the items that I purchased as additional choices. And I'm not going to open this just because we all know what a hairdryer looks like. And this is from Sutra Beauty. First item, and I'm not going to take these out of the either one out of the boxes just to save some time. The first one is from Sutra Beauty, and this is the marble blow dryer travel size. I know a lot of people have unboxed this. And then the last item, and they always put a packing slip in their boxes. The box here. And this is from Exo Sienna, and this is the felt message board. So it comes in a box like this. And I might just open the box so that you can see. So this is what the inside looks like. You get a little, like a mesh type bag to hold all your letters. That's nice. I'm having a coughing fit here today. And then this is the actual board. This is actually a little smaller than I thought it was, but it is cute. I guess I am opening this all the way. So this is just your felt board, and the letters, I guess we'll just stick to it. So I thought I would add it with the one that I already have. And the one that I already have, I think I got that at like TJ Maxx. I think it was TJ Maxx, you know, for hardly any money. You know, they usually have some great deals. So those are the two items. I said I would share them with you when I got them, and I received this probably almost a week ago or so. I just have not been filming the last week. My mom was pretty sick and she was in the hospital, so I thankfully had a lot of videos that I could put up that I had. So I guess I might as well open this so you can see it. I opened the other one when I said I wasn't going to. So this is what the dryer looks like, and it does come, is it just the one attachment or is there two? So we have the, you know, like the diffuser attachment. Oh, that's inside the bag, I see. And then here's your directional attachment. Comes with some paperwork and warranty information, which is always good. And ooh, this is very nice too. And this is like that matte, like almost feels rubbery, but it's not finish. And that's really cute. And I have used the other one that I got from Boxy, and that one works phenomenal. So I'm excited for this one too. So that is the two items from FabFitFun that I did not receive, and then the 4 masks that we just got in our Facetory for June 2019. So that is the video for today, and leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about Facetory. Do you get Facetory? Would you consider getting Facetory? I have been getting this for a while now, and I do love it. I use sheet masks. I do pass them on to family and friends, and I do make sure in every giveaway that I do include, you know, a couple masks also, so that you can enjoy some of these masks that I receive. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And we have hit our 1,000 subscriber mark, and I am so happy. You have no idea. I know all of you have you know, given up of so much of your time to watch my videos time after time, and I greatly appreciate all your time that you have given to watching the videos. And you know, I try my best to get you know, decent videos out for you guys, and we'll continue to do that. So I am curious as to what the future will hold, and let's see where we can take this channel. And like I said, I really do appreciate every one of you. And just this whole experience of reaching 1,000 subscribers happened on Sunday. I think it was July 7th, late Sunday night, and I just I actually cried a little bit. I just never thought it would happen. When I started out and had 13 subscribers and stayed under 100 for the longest time and thought, oh, what am I doing? Should I just stop? And then when I started to pick up a little bit of momentum, I thought, no, I'll keep going. And then when you start hitting like the 250 milestone and 500, I thought, oh, maybe. And you know, I am fine with, you know, the progression of growth that I have. I hope I have subscribers that will stay and keep coming back video after video. Like I promised in a previous video, will do my best to give you all good content and as much information as I can about products and companies. And I will continue to do that in the future. That's just who I am. I like to investigate and read up about companies and their products and so forth like that. So congratulations to all of you is in order for coming together as a community and always leaving me such wonderful comments. I enjoy reading every one of them, and I do read every one of them. You might only get the little heart if it's a comment that I don't feel needs a response. And if you are new, I do my best to, you know, thank you for watching and always welcoming you to the channel. And we'll continue to do that for as long as I physically can. But if it comes down to the point where I cannot, I will have somebody close to me helping me so that it's not a stranger. And that's it for today. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.